Hello and welcome to the next video. In today's video we're going to be taking off these ugly-ish standard wing mirrors and putting on some new nice stylish round bar end mirrors. Let's get started. Yeah, you can see the standard mirrors. To take them off we basically need to loosen that locking nut and then we'll unthread them off. I'm also going to have to take out my aftermarket RNG bar ends. Yeah, loosen the locking nut now, just to take the whole mirror out. Now the other one. Okay, I'm going to have to get a bolt to hold that in to make sure, but I think for that I'm going to make a new bracket that takes it sort of lower down. We'll see. Let's take this one off. Okay, that one's off as well. I'm going to clean these threads up with a wire brush. I think I know what's in this parcel. Let's have a look. Ooh, it's the bar and mirrors. KO accessories. Okay, so yeah, we've got the wedge that goes into the end of the bar, and then that will tighten onto there. Oh, it's quite nice. Got a bit of a bluish tinge on the mirror. You'd have to see how it looks on the bike. And also whether they're going down or up on the handlebars. Not too bad. We've got both of them. The mirror is not cracked, that's good. And there's the other wedge for the bar. I'll put links for them in the description. I'm not sure how many of you are in South Africa. Let's have a look. These bar ends come with a sort of expanding nut. I don't need that because I've got my threaded bit inside the bar. So basically I just take that off and then I'll take the CNC bit and I'm going to thread that in and add some Loctite or thread locker onto that. Just give that a tiny nip. I'll come back and torque it now. And then the mirror we'll tighten up something like that. Let's put the other side on quickly. Now we're just going to tighten up the screw here. Tighten that up to stop it from rolling and then adjust them.
Mirrors are actually very effective. can see way better behind me than what I could initially with the bunny ears. Very, very nice. A lot more comfortable.
Thank you for watching to the end of the video. That's very, very nice. I'm very, very happy with the bar ends. I've been for a little bit of a ride. I think it worked out quite well, and they increased visibility quite a bit. I found with the other mirrors I'd have to tuck my elbows in. So let's see over the coming weeks how it goes with these mirrors. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing. Also leave a comment, whether you like it or not, or your opinion. I'm interested in hearing what the viewers have to say. Thank you very much.